So this is a test. This is how you add a business to Google Maps. You go to either Google My Business, Google search and do a Google My Business search, or you just go to google.com/business. Okay. You're gonna go. You gotta log in. You gotta sign in to Google with your Google account. And I already have some locations, so you're probably gonna have an empty thing. You're gonna add a location, and you're gonna type the business name, follow the directions. I don't have a business to add right now, but once you add a business, you can go back to your dashboard and click on your business, and there's all kinds of things that you can do. I like to look at insights here on the left. Kind of look at what people search for to call or visit my business or your business. Most people search for the business name. Here you can see that they search for name. Automotive paint. I mean, gives you this. You're gonna get the idea of what people are searching for. Another thing I like to see is how many calls I get. Customer actions when they look at your business. Like 92 people took action on Google Maps. They visited your website, or they requested directions, or they called you. 27 people call you thanks to Google Maps. So a lot of things. So just a lot of information, but the most important thing that I think this is going to help you is your reviews. You can respond to reviews from people, and your promotions. You can go into post, and you can create let me show you. You can create a message with a picture and write. Let's say you're running a oil change promotion, or any kind of promotion. You make it an event. You can put a date on it. You can put an offer, or you're promoting a product. You can put a product, and basically you can just put a price. I mean, play around with this. You can get creative with this, and it will show up. It will show up on your. It will show up on your Google Maps profile. So I don't know how that's not going to help you. It's really going to help promote your business, because it's basically whoever's searching for you is going to know you're going to have a special at whatever day, or you have a special right now, or a coupon or something. You take a picture of something, and you can create a promotion. I just wanted to show you a post, but you can see them. You can just go to any business and you might see a post. So this is pretty much what they call claiming your business. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. This is Pete from freebusinesspromo.com, and also provide hosting. Pretty much those are two businesses that we run. Thank you. Have a great day.